title, it's time to transform this head of mine. So ready. Today is haircut day. Today is my big transformation, okay? I've been waiting for this day all week. It's Friday and I'm just ready for a new start, ready for a new look. And that's what we about to do. So if you're interested in seeing how I go from this to that, go ahead and stay tuned. I did my relaxer a week and a day ago, so it's time to be washed. It is time to get it together. If you're new here, make sure to check out my last video, which is my 1 year relaxed hair update. Just me showing y'all my damaged hair, specifically in the back and like on my left side. Showing y'all my damage, talking about my damage and my relaxed hair journey so far and the reason why we are doing this cut today. Make sure to go check that out, but I will show y'all one last look at my hair. Here's this last look at my shoulder length hair. Just turn to the back. And as you can see, it's just so fragile. It's thin, it's broken off. Like this hair just gotta go. Like these ends and just broken. It's just time for this to go. I am doing a banging bob, honey. I'm doing a banging bob cut. I haven't had a bang in so long, and I used to love my bang. Like that was actually one of my favorite haircuts that I ever had. And I decided, you know what? We're gonna go back to that. So I am doing a banging bob. I just don't know what type of bob I'm doing yet. So actually, we're gonna play around with two different cuts today. I'm gonna just part this hair down in the middle to start off with. We're gonna do the bangs last. But yeah, we're gonna play around with two different haircuts. I'm gonna start with the longer one first just to see if I wanna do that. Just a regular like bob with bangs. I'm gonna see how that looks. If I don't really like it, cause I don't know, I never had that before, so I don't really know how that's gonna be given. But if I don't like that, I'm gonna just cut it into probably like a chin length blunt bob all the way around with bangs. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. Uneven. It all look raggedy anyway. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, it's a little longer than I thought it would be. I thought I was cutting it a little shorter than this, but it's cute. It's a bob. She got a bob. She got a bob. Hey, she got a bob. I still want to cut a little bit more of this off. Now I'm gonna cut my bangs to see how this bob and bangs look, but I don't know. I don't really know if I want this A-line bob. I think I just wanna, you know what I'm saying, go up to here. I don't know, we gonna see. Let me cut these bangs. Because my hair is greasy, because of course I still need to wash it, but I don't really like this. So yeah, I tried it. I said I was gonna see how it looked. I'm trying to like give myself a visual, like if my hair was not greasy and it kind of had a little more, you know what I'm saying, body to it, or do I like this? Nah, I don't know. It's not bad. It's honestly kind of growing on me the more I look at it. But I don't know. Oh my god, I don't know. Yeah, I think I want to go a little shorter. I don't know. I know it's such a huge decision tonight. I don't know. Oh no, just think about it with a little bump or a little body with a little bounce. It might be cute. I don't know, I've never had this haircut before. Like I cut my hair so many ways, so many times. I had like a little short pixie cut before. Of course, I always do a blunt bob. Like that's my go-to cut. I've had asymmetrical bob before, but I've never had just like, you know, with my real hair. Let's get my husband's opinion. Hold on. Okay, it's not done yet, but do you think I should keep it in a bob like this, or should I just cut it shorter like that?
Like that.
Like this? Or cut it like this? Like all the way around even?
Yeah, all the way around even.
You think so? What you think, Zara? We gonna let the baby decide. Which one, Zara? Look, Zara. Zara. In this cut, or should I cut it shorter? Okay, thank you, family. Alright, so he think I should cut it shorter. I think, yeah, I think so too. I'm gonna go join her. Yo! It's giving. I need help. Please. Yeah, I need help with the back. I just needed to. Whew, I'm not good. Just cut it. You see how it's uneven in the back? Yeah, just cut it straight across with this. You see that? Just a straight line. Why I feel like you're notching it? Just go up like in one line, straight across.
Dude, you.
Side to side.
That's what's making it uneven.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
What are you talking about?
If I go straight in, that's
Alright.
one simple cut.
Alright. So is it straight now?
It's good, man.
What you, bro? I don't understand how this is that hard. Alright, well don't touch it because you don't know what you asking me to do. What are you talking about? You see how that's a straight line. Straight. Go over. You stressing me out.
Much shorter than that side.
Well, that's why we're evening it up. I'm saying to start from here. This is my guide. You just follow that. Go all the way around and cut it off.
But I'm saying the back of your hair is much shorter than this.
What you mean?
That's what I'm telling you.
Well, even it up. I'm saying you don't know what you want me to do. You making me feel like you messing my hair up. What? All right, give it here. I don't need to do this.
Come on, you look nice.
Why you cutting my neck?
Why are you on your toes?
Bruh.
Oh, look at my underarms. I need to shave.
That's kind of sexy. You got a little pepper under there.
It's because you nasty.
Oh, shoot. It's done, Tierra. It look good. You need to stop.
No, I didn't. Stop playing. See? This is what I'm talking about. Yeah, that long bob wasn't working for me. I wasn't really feeling that. But this right here, see my ponytail I lost?
Damn. You gonna keep it?
Nah, raggedy hair
Let me see it.
that needed to go. Look at that. Oh, I got some healthy ends again. I really, really like this. Like, I feel back to me, okay? I have to have something to my hair. Like, me just having limp, like, hair that just looks like cliff is just so not me. So to have like some type of character to my hair, I really like feel like me. I have to have like some layers or some, like, you know, a bang or blah blah blah. I have to have something to my hair to like feel like me. So this right here, I feel like me. I feel cute. I feel real cute. Oh, y'all, what I like about fringe bangs is that you can still get away with, like, you know what I'm saying, a little bit of perk. Just tuck the little bangs in like that, girl. I can still wear it down, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Cause, you know, still wear a side if I wanted to. I love having fringe bangs because it kind of just gives you the option to wear them or not wear them. So, you know, I can wear a little side part with a side bang, you know, curl that like that or whatever, wear that little, ooh, you know what I'm saying? I like this cut. I like this cut a lot. I can do so many different styles with this cut, which I am just so in love with. I'm so happy. Okay, now that the cut is out the way, I'm about to go in with my Olaplex treatment. Like I said, this is my first wash day post relaxer, so I do need to do like a bond building treatment to my hair. Wait a minute. Girl, you better quit playing because you just a little bit too fresh and too cute today. I think I like this. I really think I like this. I'm so happy. I love this. Love it so much. Girl, I'm so happy. And the lipstick all on my teeth. Lord. I love this so much. This was such a huge, much needed transformation. Cause like I said, y'all, I was just getting bored, like looking at my limp, thin hair. So this cut, honey, this cut in this color, I needed this. I really needed this pick me up. I feel cute again. I feel sexy. I wanted like a sexy look, you know what I'm saying? I'm so happy, y'all. My hair, it feels amazing. Like, oh my God, feels so good. I'm gonna show y'all my length, like on my actual skin, so we can do some length checks, okay? So I'm definitely still aiming to grow my hair back out, but I'm gonna just enjoy this cut for just a little minute, okay? I'm gonna enjoy it. But this is where we starting at. Front view. So this is the restart of my healthy hair journey, okay, with a fresh cut for real, like a good cut, getting that damage off. I still do have a little bit of a thin spot of it through here. It's not bad at all anymore since I, of course, cut it, but it is a spot back here that, like, that damage went all the way, like, up. So we just gonna be treating that, taking care of that. I'm giving cute hair for qual, okay? Cause y'all know he be serving it up with that bob. He surely does. So yes, this is the cut. I am super happy. If you like it too, make sure to hit me a thumbs up. Comment down below and subscribe if you ain't subscribed, girlfriend. Stay tuned for the healthy hair series, the relaxed healthy hair series. I'm so excited to just be having a fresh start and having a new look. Thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.